Hey friends, check it out. Another mountain bike review video. It's new helmet day. This is the Smith Engage helmet. We're gonna take it out, take a closer look, give it a size fit, give our overall impressions. Now again, this is the Smith Engage. Now the colors we chose were matte, spruce, and safari. So it's got that really cool kind of green and tan two-toned color to it. Here's a closer peek inside. As you can see, it has really nice new foam padding, as well as the buckle system, the little dial on the back to really make this a perfect fit on our head. Again, we got the medium, but this does come in multiple sizes. Now, most important friends, this comes with Mips Technology. You can see this Mips system down here. It's this black plastic. And basically these are on all newer helmets. You really should be looking to add this to any one of your helmets, both for snowboarding, for mountain biking, and other skateboard type activities. Now, what Mips does is it adds that low friction layer that allows for multi-directional movement. Now, this is intended to reduce that rotational force on the head. You can learn more at mipsprotection.com. But again, this is really been shown as an added bonus in helmets to offer protection on your most vital part of your body, and that is your brain. So as you can see out of the box, this is an absolutely beautiful helmet. Smith has really done a great job of providing both functionality as well as style. Let's give this thing a quick sizing test. Okay, as you can see on the head, fits and looks pretty great, especially for my size head. I really like the way it moves down the back of my skull. Again, we have the little dial button that I can move back and forth and really conform this thing perfectly to my head. We have a nice adjustable chin strap down here. And then one of the other features I love is the visor can move up and down without having to loosen up these specific bracket areas here. As you can see, that's a really nice feature if you need to adjust on the fly. Now, one last thing to check is how well our large lens glasses actually fit with this specific helmet. Now, as you can see, that's a really nice fit. There's plenty of room for these larger lenses. It's not gonna get in the way. I really like this, friends. I'm definitely giving it a thumbs up. Again, we'll put some links in the description box below if you'd like to pick it up on someplace like Amazon. Hope this video has helped. Definitely hit that thumbs up button if it has. Lets us know we're making good videos that are helpful. We'll see you again on the next one, friends.